Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying essentials. Make sure the hardware volume buttons respond. Press them while playing media to confirm they change the media slider. Next, open Settings, tap Sounds and Vibration, then locate the media volume control. Adjust it up so you can hear a change. Once done, turn off Do Not Disturb and disconnect Bluetooth devices, sometimes audio routes to a headset. This eliminates common blockers quickly, so you can focus on deeper settings if sound still fails. Next, you'll dive into advanced controls that often alter media volume. Open any manufacturer sound utilities like Dolby Atmos or Samsung Sound Assistant. Make sure equalizer boosts aren't muting frequencies and that app-specific profiles aren't set to 0. Then, play audio in the Target app while adjusting the on-screen volume slider to verify the app level matches system media volume. If irregular, reboot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is overriding audio. To finish, clear the cache for the problematic app or uninstall and reinstall if necessary. This fixes corrupted settings. Then check Settings right arrow Software Update and install pending updates. System patches often resolve audio driver issues. If nothing works, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort because it restores default audio configurations. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio still routes incorrectly, test with wired headphones. If they work, the issue is Bluetooth routing, not speakers, which directs your next fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.